النبراس للأطفال.
Down the road one bright clear day, the little hare ran fast away. I'm the best, I'm lightning quick, no one can beat me, that's my trick. But slowly, slow and sure, the turtle walks the path secure. Step by step, patiently, she moves along so steadily. The hare laughs loud, you dream too much, you're far too slow to beat me such. The turtle smiles, we'll see my friend, the road is long, there's time to lend. But slowly, slow and sure, the turtle walks the path secure. Step by step, patiently, she moves along so steadily. Under the clouds, the day turns night, the hare falls asleep, out of sight. The turtle walks, she doesn't tire, she passes him and climbs up higher. Yes, slowly, slow and sure, the turtle wins, her heart is pure. Step by step, patiently, it's courage that brings victory.